G'day guys, how we going? Well, today for lunch, I'm going to be knocking up a good old hamburger. Now, you can't go too far wrong with a good old hamburger when you're out here camping. Throw in whatever bits and pieces you want, but I've got a few bits I'm going to put in mine. I'm going to put a bit of tomato, an egg, I'm going to chop up some onion. I've got some bacon and I've got some cheese around the back here. They're going to go in it. What else we got? Going to put a bit of lettuce on my bun once I get it all cooked up. And I'm going to make my own sauce out of a bit of mayo, a bit of mustard, and a bit of tomato sauce, and that'll go over the bun. Once the bun's nicely toasted up, everything goes on. Fair income. This is an absolute cracker. Let's get into it. And this one here, that's going to be my rolling pin. So I didn't bring a rolling pin, but hey, stubby will have to do. And that's going to roll out my my mince for my hamburger. Well, I think what we might do, I might get that going first. Then I'll start cooking up, getting me bacon and those sort of things going on down there. Because the fry pan's already on, me cast iron pan's down there, already cooking up, getting a bit of heat into it. But let's get this burger made up first. Nothing like making up a fresh one out here while you're camping out here in the bush. So let's have a crack at this. First things first, let's just roll that up, make a bit of a ball out of it. Get it into a bit of a ball shape. Oh, look at that. And then drop that on there, press him down a bit. And this is where the old stubby comes into it. Roll him out. Good thing using the grease-proof paper. It's not going to stick when it comes to time to put it into the pan. I reckon that's probably not a bad size going on there now for my burger. Let's have a look at the size of that. Look at that. That is sensational size burger. So that's now all ready to go. We'll just leave that there. I think we'll go down here, we'll get a bit of oil going in the pan, we'll get some bacon going first, crack the egg, the onion, we'll get all that going. Let's rip into it. Looks like some good heat in that. Oh yeah, that's nice and hot. That's how I want it. Righto. Let's get my cheese net over there. Let's get my onion cooked up, cut up first. I only need half an onion when I'm doing it for myself. But you might, I don't know, you might want to put the camp oven on as well. You might want to do a few chips, but this is a good sized meal just on its own. Love it. Just out here in the bush. How damn good is this? Alright, throw that in there. Chop my onion up. Chuck the end bit away, don't need the end bit. Righto, put my cheese aside there. Oh, that's pretty good. Let's go down here and rip into this. Oh yeah, some good heat in that too. Have a listen to that. Put the onion in there too. Oh, I just love food that sizzles. For a bit. Good thing with cast iron, it'll still hold its heat and keep on cooking. like a bit of a flip over. Now we're going to get this burger on, get it going. Righto, leave my cheese all here. A bit of onion. Let's go and get my burger on. There, and here we go. Look at that. Oh, what a feed. Put a slice of cheese on my burger there in a minute. Once I flip him over. Couple of slices of tomato. Two will be plenty. Righto, egg flip. Let's flip that burger over, I reckon. Look at that. So good. Bush cooking right on the campfire, you just cannot beat it. Push it around, get a bit more heat going in it. Lunch coming up. Make that sauce up in a minute. Actually, I might make that sauce up while that's cooking away. I'm going to lift that egg up. We'll just put him on the top there. He's pretty much done. Let that burger cook for a bit more. We'll go and get some sauce made up. Righto, sauce. Oh, nearly out of mayo. Right, good bit of mayo. Good bit of mustard. Where's my lid? And a bit of tomato sauce in that as well. Just a little bit. Mix him all up. And I'll spread this on my bun once it's all cooked up and toasted up, ready to roll. Look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. Oh, that's a great combination for these burgers. Right, let's get this bun down there and get him toasted. Get him on the fire. Only do the inside, don't do the whole lot of the bun. Right. Move him around a bit, so I've got a bit of heat here. And look, the bun on there, come around the other way. Multi-purpose fire setup, it's bloody great. Right, I'm going to put my cheese on top of that. Quickest, easiest, simple meals, fair income, they always taste the best. So a bit of double cheese going to go on this one. Keep an eye on the bun, don't want him burn it. Righto, that's all I want with that bun, that's done. Go and get my sauce on it. And we'll come down and dish him up. Righto, you just want your buns to just a bit toasty, so a bit scratchy. And then just a bit of this sauce on it. Spread him all around. Oh, look at that. This is such a great lunch, I can tell you, to make. Righto, put a bit of lettuce on him first. Get rid of that. Bit of lettuce on the bun. Put my tomato on there. Righto, let's go and get the good stuff on it. Get me bacon on there, one piece of bacon on it. I'll get the burger on next. Bit of onion. Bit of egg. And the last one of bacon. Bring that around here, keep that off the heat. Have a go at that. Now that is a, starting to all fall apart. That is a fair dinkum burger. Have a go at that. Righto, and get the lid on him. Righto, let's have a go at that. Oh my God. Well, only one thing left for me to do is get into my lunch. Now, how long did that take? Didn't take long at all to whip up that great, fantastic tasting meal. Good old burger, down on the campfire, out here camping. Get onto it, guys, have a crack at it. Thanks very much for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Hooroo. Oh, mate. That is knockout.